Well, can you believe it? It's been 6 months already since we took our first class online, and boy has it been a busy 6 months. A new YouTube channel, over 1,500 classes and kits sold, and more than 3,000 new followers to talk to. We would like to say a big thank you to all of you for making that happen and choosing to put your trust in a small independent business like us. So in our favourite way to give back, we're doing a little giveaway to mark each of the months that have passed. We have 6 Broderie Anglaise kits and classes all packed up and ready to make their way to your door. To be in with a chance of receiving one of these little bundles of joy, make sure you like this Instagram post, follow the London Embroidery School on Instagram, and tag a friend in the comments below before 12 PM UK time on Friday the 16th of October. You can tag as many friends as you like for multiple entries, just one tag per comment though please. Winners will be selected at random and contacted by direct message by Tuesday the 20th of October. Best of luck!